Everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me already, my name's Haley and we do all things makeup on this channel. Today we're going to be doing this anti-Valentine's Day makeup look. I am obsessed with this one. It took me so long to do the rhinestones, but it was worth it. So if you want to see how I did it, please keep on watching. As always, all the products will be listed in the description box below. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind? Go back to that moment in time when you say you want me for life. Was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees just to show ya you're the one I want and I love ya. No, 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 no lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me. Alright guys, I hope you liked the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you want to see next from me. And if you like me, subscribe and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.
Can you stop your video so I can finish recording?
What you say?
Can you stop your video so I can finish recording?
Do I have to stop doing dishes too?
For a second.
Okay.
I could.
What's up, girl?
Yeah. She works.
Good.
Yeah.